Hi, Dejanay. Overall, your resume was very informative. I like the way you had your name in large font. You had your address, phone number, and email address present. You highlighted all your categories in the blue font. I like that a lot. Um, your job descriptions were very detailed. But the only thing is you went from standard font to caps and two work experiences. Um, these two experiences here. So probably should revisit that. Try and use more professional terminology as well. I think that may help, give you a better presentation. And try submitting your resume through Grammarly to correct any errors, any type of grammatical errors and misspellings that you may have in your presentation. Overall, very nice resume. Thank you.